watching Belly Up. Well, when you are Bangali, nothing can hit you other than Poila Boishakh, isn't it? This is a time of family, celebration, joy, and of course some mouth-watering food. So without further delay, let's get into the special recipe and a unique recipe called Mango Rasmalai. For making Mango Rasmalai, we will be needing 1 liter of full fat milk, half a teaspoon of elaichi powder, 10 to 12 cups of sugar. For making the sugar syrup, you can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste. 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar for making the rabri for the rasmalai. 2 lemon for curdling the milk. Pinch of yellow food color, it's optional. A handful of dry fruits and 1 tablespoon of mango pulp. Boil the milk in a bowl at low to medium flame. Prepare a mixture of 2 lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of water. Add the mixture into the milk. This will curdle up the milk. You can also use vinegar. Stir well the milk. The milk has curdled now. Prepare the utensils for straining. In a bowl, place the strainer and cover it with a cloth. Pour the curdled milk into the utensils. Wash it in front of the running water. This will remove the sourness of the lemon. Squeeze all the water well and hang it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add in around 10 to 12 cups of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of the sugar according to your taste. Add 5 to 6 glasses of water and cook it till it gets concentrated. In this, add a pinch of cardamom powder, that is the elaichi powder. Give it a stir. Till the sugar syrup is boiling, prepare the rasagollas. Knead the chana for around 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes smooth in texture. Make flattened balls of it. Add all the flattened balls into the sugar syrup and cover it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, but keep checking it at this point. It's all done. Let it rest for a few minutes, then squeeze all the syrup gently. Boil the milk at a medium flame. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of cardamom powder. Give it a stir and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of dry fruits, a pinch of yellow food color, and the color will get intense as we cook it. Cook it for 12 to 15 minutes. Add all the rasagollas into it. Let it cool down in the fridge for 10 to 12 minutes. And now for the twist. Add the mango pulp, give it a stir, and for garnishing you can add few almonds, pistachios and cashew nuts. That's all ready to serve now. That's all you need to do to make your family, relatives, friends happy. Do give this a try. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and obviously do subscribe to my channel. Till then, wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Shubho Navabarsha to all of you.